This video is a demonstration on how to install the vial holder into the UV vis photoreactor. First, we will start by turning on the UV vis. The power switch is located on the left side of the instrument. Flip the switch to turn it on. For this experiment, we decided to run 8 4-milliliter vials. When running an experiment with a partially filled vial holder, place empty vials in all the unused slots, as this will optimize airflow while the instrument is running. Here are the vials already placed into the vial holder. One of the vial positions contains the IR sensor that will monitor the temperature of that reaction vial, as shown here. To install the vial holder into the UV vis, the hole in the center of the vial holder aligns to the metal standoff in the instrument. The notched corner must also align to the notch inside the UV vis. Now gently place the vial holder into the UV vis. Make sure to keep the correct orientation. The holder is not forced into position and should slide into place. If done correctly, a temperature reading will appear on the right side of the temperature field on the screen. Next, we will install the vial mounting tool. The tool is inserted, threads first, into the center hole of the vial holder. It is then screwed in place, allowing for firm contact for the IR sensor. It should be snug but not overly tight. Never force the vial holder or the vial mounting tool into place, as this could damage the instrument. Now we will move to the air guide. The air guide directs ambient air through the lid to assist with the cooling. It has a telescopic extension to accommodate all vial holders. The edge of the air guide rests on the internal lip inside the instrument. Place the air guide onto the lip and ensure that the extension piece is resting on the edge of the vial holder. Remember, if the vial holder is only partially filled, add empty vials to fill up the spots, as this will optimize airflow. Moving on to the lid. The instrument will not activate the LEDs unless the lid is fully seated and the safety switch is engaged. Position the lid so that the standoff is aligned to the safety switch hole, then place the lid into the guiding grooves. There should be a click indicating that contact has been made to the safety switch. This concludes the vial holder installation process. Proceed to the next video for directions on LED installation.